My name is Sarab Barot, Product Manager for Safety and Grounding for MacLean Power Systems. MPS has comprehensive offering of safety and grounding components to meet your temporary grounding needs. Today I'd like to talk about our universal clamp offering, in particular MacLean Power part number 01M070A. This versatile and strong clamp is designed to go over connector, ball stud, ground stud, or bus bar application. The clamp features an I-beam design in the back and single-piece aluminum forged eyescrew. The clamp also features a lubrication chamber which allows for easy maintenance of the thread. Also, it can serve as a parking stud to create a cascade assembly. In the back, we have a strain relief mechanism that will take the dampening during the whipping effect if the clamp were to go in the fault. All this feature, when assembled in a MacLean Power grounding clamp assembly, results in a strong clamp for the lineman in the field. Explore more safety solutions at MacLeanpower.com.